Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube Shorts in Canva. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is just to log in into your Canva account. And after that, all we need to do is just to go to the templates. And simply, we need just to go here to templates and click on it. And from here, you will find many templates that you will find. And in our case, we want to find some templates for YouTube Shorts so we can start adding on them. So we can find here photo, impression, marketing, videos, etc. etc. Now I'm just going to click on YouTube Shorts, and basically here I'm just going to click on this one. And as you can see, either you can start creating your own video YouTube Shorts, or we can simply click on anyone and you can use it as a template, and then you can start having your own. So I'm just going to show you on both sides. So here I'm just going to click and on personalize this model, on modify on this model, and from here you can see that we have our video, and you can simply start modifying anything that you would like. So here you will find all the text, you will find all the elements, and basically here you can see this text, and you can have this timeline, and you can start checking. So if you want it to be showing until some part of time, you can find it here, and you can start animating it by double clicking on it, or just by going here, and as you can see you can find all these elements, and those are some animation that you can find, etc. Anyways, if you want to create your blank YouTube Shorts, you will be needing to start adding you can call them pages or canvas or whatever, and basically we'll be needing just to add designs. For example, I'm just going to add these elements, and I'm just going to add shapes to show you just the principle of this icon. So basically here I want for this shape, for example, to be shown until this moment, and I'm just going for this one, and I want it to be like here and shorten this one. And also we still have this square, and basically those are all my shapes that I have. So basically now we can start just modifying our timeline, and we will be having our shapes that will be showing in our Canva, and you can start to do this with text elements, your own images, your own videos, etc. etc. And then you will be needing just to export them and download them. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.